Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today got a little surprise for you. If you've been following me on Snapchat or Instagram, you know what the surprise is. The car is lowered. I'll put my Instagram and Snapchat right here, so if you guys don't follow me, add me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram. Today's video I'm going to show you how the car sits. It's a little dirty and I feel like it's always dirty when I'm making a video, so I don't know when it's clean. But before I start the video and show you guys how the car looks, we're gonna be at Krispy Kreme tonight and we're gonna meet up at my house and then we're gonna roll together. So I might film that as well, but let's get to the video right now. I'm gonna show you guys how the car looks and let's see how you guys like it. There she is, sitting nice and low. I forgot to take pictures before when it was high, but you guys get the idea. You know, it's nice and low. The rims look really nice. It came out very nice and flush. So the fronts, they stick out a little bit, which not really, but you know, the perfect fitment. Not so perfect, could be a little bit better, but eventually I'm gonna be getting bigger tires because these ones are little skinnies. I'll show you guys from a distance how they look. It's sitting really nice. I love the outcome. Still gotta put the front lip back on, but with the side skirts and the aprons, it looks really nice. So since we went lower, I think it's like 2 to 3 inches lower. I forgot to ask the guy. We took out the rear mud flaps. The fronts were already out because of the snowstorm, so we took out the rears, otherwise they would have scraped everywhere I went. But we still have the rear aprons on, and we rolled the rear fenders. I don't know if you guys can tell in the video, but see how from here you can see kind of sticks out a little bit, the fender. So we rolled that and the fitment came out perfectly, you know, pretty nice. I'm so happy with how it came out. Looks great, and been getting a lot of attention on the road as well. You know, people have been giving me thumbs ups and stuff, so gotta get used to that. Can't lie, it feels nice when somebody appreciates your build and, you know, gives you a thumbs up on the road. Huge shout out to Ontario Fender Roll. I'll put his Instagram here. All my boys been going to him. I knew about him like 2-3 years ago, but you know, I didn't have to get anything done on my car, so I recommended it to my boys. They went there and they were really happy, so they recommended it back to me, which is kind of, you know, came around in a circle. But huge shout out to Bo at Ontario Fender Roll. He was really awesome, really nice guy. He did an awesome job. Everything came out flush and everything looks nice. That's all the video right now, so here we go into the cinematic edit.